What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, y'all already know how I do it. I get straight to it, but first I want to let you guys know, let's keep going. Continuously like, comment, subscribe. Also, share my content or send this content to anybody that you think that could definitely benefit from it. All right, stop hogging all the sauce. Okay, now I'm seeing that everybody is in shambles about what's going on with the CFPB, right? And yes, okay, wait, hold. Before I start, I said I was gonna do giveaways this week. So under this video, in the description, under my phone number, you will be able to see the winner of this week's giveaway, okay? That winner will also be commenting on my next video as well. I'm gonna give away a free consultation with this winner. That winner will be under my next video after we have a discussion, and it's gonna be different. I'm not gonna always do consultations. Sometimes I'm gonna do cash giveaways. Sometimes I'm gonna do consultations. Sometimes I might just send you a package that'll be very beneficial for you. Okay, so definitely make sure you guys are commenting. Make sure I'm seeing you, because whoever I see the most is gonna be getting whatever it is that I'm giving out that week. All right, and it's gonna vary. Sometimes I might give out a lot of money. Sometimes I might give out a little bit of money. Sometimes I might give out, whatever, right? But it's never gonna be under $50, and it's never gonna be over $1,000. I just let y'all know that right now. All right. So without further ado, let's get to it. So a lot of y'all are in shambles about what's going on with the CFPB. Okay. Yes, I know there's a way that you can still submit complaints and things like that, but I do not know for sure. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't know for sure if it's something that's going to be stopped forever, or if things are just being revised and made better. Now, in my opinion, 9 times out of 10, it's probably gonna be over for the CFPB. Big banks, things like that are taking over, which is why I told you guys, you have to be cleaning your credit. You have to be building your business. You have to be building your personal credit. If you were to run a play, you have to know how you're going to get back to where you're supposed to be, okay? Do not drag your feet with this stuff. Now, the CFPB, yes, it's powerful. Yes, it works. I see some people say it doesn't work, and that's only because you're not structured properly, okay? You have to be very organized when you're dealing with the CFPB. When you're sending out your letters and things like that, you have to have your tracking numbers. You have to have everything in order. You have to know the time frame that you have involving each round that you send. If not, once you upload that stuff to the CFPB, they're not going to do the work for you. You have to do the work, okay? So if you don't have the tracking numbers, and you don't have the letters and all that stuff that you sent that you were supposed to be keeping, then of course it's not gonna work, all right? Now, I've never had too much trouble dealing with the CFPB, but I don't mind the CFPB going away, because I use litigation anyway. Therefore, if things aren't off by a certain, well, I use a mix of different things, but if things aren't off by a certain amount of time, then we're going to court anyway, all right? That's just the newest, best, most effective way to do it. Factual disputing is cool. Metro 2 is cool. And, doing complaints with the CFPB is cool as well, but nothing beats actually going along with the pre-litigation phase, okay? Now, I'm gonna also give you all a substitute that you all can use, being that the CFPB is down currently, all right? So what you can use is what's called the FTC, which is the Federal Trade Commission, okay? You can use them to supplement the CFPB, but just make sure it's never really the tool that you're using. It's the user of the tool, okay? The tool is gonna operate how the user operates. So please, guys, when you're doing all your disputes and doing different things, make sure you stay organized, please. Make sure that you understand the first round is 30 to 35 days. The second round is 15 days. The third round, they only have 10 days, okay? I'm not gonna tell you what goes on after that, because it's really a double whammy, whether it gets taken off or not. It's a big payday at the end of it, regardless. Plus, on top of that, they're gonna do exactly what we say, because we're using straight law, okay? Now, like I said, don't know if the CFPB is coming back. Don't really care, but what I do care about is you all understanding your systems and your processes, so that you can make sure when the game changes, you don't have to go back to square one, okay? you can literally just pick the ball up by understanding, okay, what are they beneficial for? What do I do there? Okay, what's a good supplement? All right. And it's actually multiple. Okay. Now, all you will have to do is learn the actual process it is that they do themselves, which is litigation. All right. What made the CFPB so powerful was the fact that they're going to take your information and they're going to sue the companies. Okay. But what if I tell you, you could do the same? What if I told you that you can take the same case that you would send to them and you can do the same, guys? Literally. All right. All you need is, like I said, you need to stay organized. That is it. All right. So do not let all of this stuff get you crazed as if, okay, well, now that the CFPB is closed, we can't send any letters, or we shouldn't send any letters, or we shouldn't continuously cleaning credit and things like that. That is simply just not true. Okay. All this is a pivot. That's it. Okay. Don't panic. Imagine this is the fourth quarter in the game, or it's overtime in the game. Game is on the line. All right. You going to panic, or you going to take the information and you going to score a bucket. It really ain't no in between. All right. Now I'm giving you guys a bucket. I hope that you all were listening. This video is not going to be as long because I just wanted to give out the giveaway first and foremost. I'm also still working on actually getting all of my documents onto my page. That way y'all can just do it quick click. But for now, if you need anything, contact the number below. We can deal with your personal credit as far as cleaning it, also building a business, and much, much more, guys. All right. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another